Nendaba kaDlothofa kaBhekeki uyesabeka ufana nemisebe yelanga siyakhuleka nenabesilo la ku SABC 1 ngabe ngenze elikhulu iphutha uma ngakushaya ngaphandle nawe mbukeli wethu sibuka ohlelweni lwethu olusebenzisa ubuchwepheshe besimanje iDTT ithimba lendaba zesiZulu selididiyele okwami ukukuphakela zona nazi enohlonze kusiqanje
is to see the body. I hear it, yes, but I need to see so that we can do the right procedures as a family and then do some arrangement. But right now we're still in the dark because of the information is misinformation. We're confused.
Imndeni yabantu abashe banqonqa ngesikhathi kuthungeleka ngomlilo ibhilide ngabeni yegoli bayaqhubeka nokuhlonza idumbu zabathandiweyo bayo emakhazeni kahulumeni eDeepkloof kanye sebengamashumi ayisikhombisa nesithupha abantu asebeshonile.
We are not sure whether the barrel that is still in that firearm is the same barrel that was in the firearm that you tested in 2015.
Obethula umfakazi namhlanje kwelikameyiwa uwarrant officer Cornelius Roofthe utshele inkantolo ukuthi isibhamu esiwubufakazi ophambi kwenkantolo yisona esihlola asihlole satholakala kumsola wesithathu umthobisi Mncube. Imndeni yabantu abashe banqonqa ngesikhathi ibhilide elisenkameni yedolobha igoli lithungeleka ngomlilo uyaqhubeka nokuthutheleka ngobuningi emakhazeni ombuso eDeepkloof eSoweto izohlonza idumbu zehlobo zayo. Idumbu ezishumi nambili kuphela ezibonakalayo ukuthi ngezobani kulezi engamashumi ayisikhombisa nesithupha ezitholakala kuleli ibhilide.
Kube usuku olugcwele umunyu njengoba imindeni ichithe usuku lonke izama ukuhlonza abathandiweyo bayo emakhazeni.
The only thing that's for me today, all I want to see is to see the body. I hear it, yes, but I need to see so that we can do the right procedures as a family and then do some arrangement.
For the family that we've been lost, we lost more than 7 people that we lost. One, it's a family, but the other one, that my brother is one of them.
Abantu abadabuka eMalawi banxuse ihhovisi lenxosa la kuleli yazwe ukuthi lilekelele labo abasale edengwane ngemuva kwalesigameko. Imindeni ke kusazofanele ilinde isikhathi eside njengoba kuzokwenziwa ulibofuzo ukuze kuhlonzwe abaphangalele.
After that concluded by the police, which is the SABC VIC unit from Deepkloof, from Hillbrow, that team of police will then come and take the samples from the families who will be here. Though all those won't be able to identify their people here, they will be subjected to that particular process.
Imindeni nikezwe izinsuku ukuthi ihlonze izidumbu zabathandiweyo bayo.
We want to also allay fears from some families who might perhaps fear that we don't have the documentations and all of those things, our status in the country is suspect and so forth, that our primary concern now is to be able to identify the bodies and match them to a particular family to enable that family to go through their own burial rites.
Amakhaza kahulumeni azohlala evuliwe impela sonto yonke ukuze kuphuthunyiswe uhlelo lokuhlonza izidumbu.
Elinye lamaphoyisa ahlolwa isibhamu kusolakala ukuthi sadubula sabulalayo nozinto Alonde Paris bafana usenzo meyiwa lithi isibhamu esiphambi kwenkantolo yisona elasihlole eminyakeni esishiyagalombili eyedlule kanti satholakala kumsola wesithathu umthobisi Mncube. Uchwepheshe ozokuhlola kwebhamu uwarrant officer Cornelius Roofthe ubethula ubufakazi bakhe namhlanje enkantolo.
Abameli babamangalelwa namhlanje bebegxile ephuzwini lokuhlakaza lokho okungubufakazi obethulwe ochwepheshe kwezezibhamu. Bebevalele ekhoneni ufakazi wenkantolo uwarrant officer Cornelius Roofthe nongomunye owenza uhlelo lokuhlola kwesibhamu esiyizibithi eliphambi kwenkantolo njengobunye bobufakazi kuleli cala.
Lieutenant Colonel Mangena says that in that paragraph he received the exhibit, but when he testified in court he had been at the police station, that is Cleveland police station, where he received the exhibit from warrant officer Mjali. Do you understand, warrant officer?
He went to fetch it.
Yes, he went to fetch, not that he received it, he went to fetch it from Cleveland police station.
In my view, what's critical is the exhibits. The exhibits which you sealed on the 30th. On the 13th of February 2015, right? Today is the 1st of September 2023. Are they the same exhibits that you sealed?
Yeah, it's the same firearm.
That's it.
U-Advocate Zandile Mshololo ongummeli kaFisokuhle Ntuli ongumsola wesihlanu wecala ubuze uRolopse ukuthi kuyenzeka yini ukuthi umbhobho wesibhamu ushintshwe kufakwe omunye. Lo mbuzo wakhe ubefuna kuvezela ngawo inkantolo ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi umbhobho wesibhamu esahlolwa nesiwubufakazi phambi kwenkantolo kungenzeka ukuthi sashintshwa umbhobho waso.
We are not sure whether the barrel that is still in that firearm is the same barrel that was in the firearm that you tested in 2015.
Well, I showed the testing.
Colonel Mangena ongakwazi ke uqinisekisa lokho ukuthi ibarrel esetshenzisiwe ngekathi mina ngivivinya lesisibhamu kusaseyiyona ke leya barrel eyasetshenziswa.
Icala liguqile ntambama namhlanje lizobuyela esigcawini senkantolo ephakeme ePitoli ngomsombuluko.
Okubukeza kasomqulu ohlelwe zethembiso zokhetho eqenjini elibusayo iAfrican National Congress nokuyinto ezokwenzeka ngesonto kuzonikeza lenhlangano ithuba lokuyinuka amakhwapha ekutheni ngempela layifeza yini zethembiso elazenza ebantwini ngonyaka u2019.
I-ANC ithi izolalela izimvo zomphakathi ukuba usho umbono wawo mayelana nezithembiso ezenzile emqulwini wawo kwangaphambilini nokuthi eziphi kuzo ezingafezekanga. Ithi leli kuzoba yithuba lokuba lenhlangano izichaze emphakathini. Phakathi kwalokho inkinga kagesi, ukunyuka kwentengo yempilo, yize amathuba emisebenzi entuleka. Ithi lokho kuzoyisiza ukuqhamuka nomqulu ongcono nohlabahlosile. Kanti ebuzwa ngokuthi kungani abantu baseningizimu Afrika kumele bephinde benikelele iqembu elinye ithuba, unobhala jikelele walo uphendule kanje.
South Africans have long given ANC a second chance. This will be the third chance or so, whatever that it is. We are the incumbent. We must account.
I-ANC ithi kwaze ukugcina izithembiso eziningi kodwa futhi yavuma ukuthi kusaneyingqinamba eziningi.
We're looking forward to interacting with society, with South Africans, and talking about some of the main hits as well as the misses in the message of the ANC regarding our performance since 2019.
Uhlelo lokubukeza luzokwenzeka ezifundazweni ezihlukene kuyo lenyanga. Umengameli we-ANC Cyril Ramaphosa kulindeleke ukuba ethule inkulumo ngesonto.
Amaphoyisa adubule abulalike bengeyisolwa ngokuphanga imoto zemali eLustrade eLimpopo kulimale nephoyisa elilodwa ke kulesigameko. Ukhomishana wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uFani Masimula yiphini lakhe uTebule Musikidi kanye nenhloko yamaHawks uGoffrey Libenya basendaweni yesigameko.
Approach the house with a view to arrest them, and in the process they shot at the police. The shooting lasted for about 90 minutes from the house they were shooting. Even the street has been shot. So in the engagement, 18 of them were shot dead, and one police officer has been injured very seriously. He has been taken for medical treatment.
Sisathi qweyitolo kanti ngoba sibuya sizokuphathela udaba oluthe.
Mr. Mafe could not appreciate the wrongfulness of his alleged conduct at the time of the offense.
Kuzokwenza uphenyo malungana nokuthi ngabe ukulungele yini ukuvela enkantolo solwa ngokushisa iParliament uZandile Mafe. uMafe ubengekho enkantolo namhlanje. Asikubingelele mbukeli mangabe usanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi imndeni yabantu abashe banqonqa ngesikhathi kuthungeleka ngomlilo ibhilide enkabeni yeGoli bayaqhubeka nokuhlonza idumbuza abathandiweyo babo emakhazeni kahulumeni eDeepkloof kanye naseHillbrow. Sebengamashumi ayisithupha abantu asebeshonile. Mbukela sikukhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ikhona na ku YouTube wena kumele ukwenze ngena kuyona uyicinga amagama athi SABC Izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola zinjalo. Kuzokwenziwa uphenyo malungana nokuthi ngabe ukulungele yini ukuvela enkantolo solwa ngokushisa izakhiwo zeParliament uZandile Christmas Mafe. Leli cala lihlehlisela umhla zimbili nomhla zintathu insuku kuLwezi ukuze kuzokwenziwa uphenyo.
Uzandile Christmas Mafe usolwa ngokushisa iParliament ngomasingane nyakenye kanti njengengxenye yokwenziwa ngaphambi kokuqulwa kwecala enkantolo ephakeme ummeli kaMafe kanye nombuso bavumelene ngosuku lophenyo kusenjalo uMafe uchithe izinsuku engama-30 lapho ebexilongwa khona isimo sengqondo yakhe ngokuyalelwa enkantolo.
Mr. Mafe could not appreciate the wrongfulness of his alleged conduct at the time of the offense and will not be able, more likely that will not be able to follow the proceedings in court.
Kodwa uMafe uyayihlabu uyayihlikiza lembiko kanti manje uphenyo selizolandela.
What follows, the court will wait for his evidence to be led in court, not for purposes of determining his guilt, but for purposes of assessing in terms of Section 77 inquiry.
Uphiko lwezokushushisa lutha luyiphikisa imbiko ethulwe ngongoti enkantolo emva kophenyo kuzobe sekuthathwa isinqumo sokuthi luzoqhubeka kanjani lolu daba.
What might happen, he might end up being a state patient. He might end up at one of the institutions, but the court will have to determine that at the end of the process.
Uma kutholakala ukuthi uMafe ukulungela ukuma enkantolo, umbuso umi ngomumo.
No, the state is ready for trial. I think we've been ready for some time now. We've got enough evidence to bring him before court, and we believe that he's got a case to answer to.
Ugodla uveza ukuthi uMafe ukulungela ukukhuluma uma sekuqhubeka lolu phenyo.
I'm not afraid.
Sekuphele isikhathi esingaphezulu kwenyanga ivaliwe inkantolo yemanje ehalishiwe esifundazweni Northern Cape. Umnyango wezisebenzi wakhipha isaziso emva kokuthola ukuthi isakhiwo sineyinkinga nokholele kuvalweni kwale station. Izakhamuzi ikhala ngokunganakwa uma ngabe ifuna usizo estation samaphoyisa.
Izakhamuzi zithi kuze kube imanje zisakhungathekile ngenxa yokunganakwa kwazo uma sifuna usizo estation samaphoyisa ihalishiwe.
I started at that building down there in that old building. And then when I arrived there, the security told me that I must come here. And here there's no direction to show us. This is the place that I have to come to. So I feel that the service is not so good for us here. As you can see, this place is very small. And look at these people. How long are we going to take? It can take days, and they're gonna postpone maybe the cases.
There's no process because since we came here past 7 actually, and they never asked us maybe if they were help or like trying to come to us and ask us how is the things going here because it's very bad since we came here.
Ngokwesitatimende somnyango wemisebenzi kahulumeni uthi kunesaziso esikhishwe umnyango wezisebenzi othi umnyango ufuna amaphepha ngaphambi kokuba kuqale umsebenzi. Usuku lokuphothulwa komsebenzi alukaziwa.
Abesifazane lusikisike esifundazweni Eastern Cape banxusa uhulumeni ukuthi aqinise imikhankaso yokulwa nezigameko zodlame eloyamene nobulili. Lokhu kwenzeka enkonzweni yesikhumbuzo kukhunjulwa abesifazane ababili abadutshulwa abashone emasondweni amabili edlule. Unomnikelo Sinqini kanye nomshana wakhe owayezethwele njengoba babulawa besekhaya labo nje.
Inkonzo yesikhumbuzo samanini amabini athi asitshwa ukufa ngendlela engenalusini. Lamanenekazi akwaSinqini adutyulwa abulawa phambi kwabantwana bawo kumandla waseNgobozane uxhatshazwa kwabasekhini ngomngeno omkhulu ojongene nabantu abaphila kulommandla nkqu nakulizwe lonke loMzantsi Afrika. Omama nabantwana baphila ngaphansi kolukhulu loyiko nanjengoko bebulawa mihla le.
Amadoda bewesi kule nyanga igqithileyo ukubulala ifamilies. Nalapha esimotweni uqala sele xa uzokhwela because abanye bakhwela phezulu khumbini kanti le khumbi irongo kube khona abanye mama dise mamas bajoyine ababulali bethu.
Kwenziwe isiphakamiso sokuba kube khona uxolo nokuba kuluswane lolwaphulomthetho doqolo kulumandla.
Indlela ababulawa ngayo abantu abangomama phensikisiki ayisiphathi kakuhle. Inga uhulumende especially elisebe lamapolisa kungakhona ukungenelela kakhulu kwelicala le-gender based violence.
Iintsapho zalamakhaya zithi sifuna ubulungiswa.
Into eqhelekileyo kuthiwa uphando liyaqhuba
okokoko into eqhelekileyo ungaphinde abuye amapolisa afika ngalamhla kwenzeke isedlo angaphinde abuye.
Amapolisa ephondo seMpuma Koloni ayaqhubeka nokwenza uphando kwangeli xesha linye imibutho echasene nokuphathwa gadalala kwamanina ithi makuziwe nekhuba lokulwisana nokuphathwa gadalala kwabantu basetyhini ingakumbi kummandla waselusikisiki. Ndinkululeko Nyembezi weendaba ze-SABC elusikisiki.
Ngolwexeshana
Ize isifo sofuba siqhubeka ukuba ngezinye zezifo ehamba phambili ekushoneni kwabantu kulelizwe. Umnyango wezempilo lokhu zama indlela ezintsha zokusinqoba lesifo. Namhlanje umnyango wezempilo esifundazweni Eastern Cape wethule umshanguzo omusha nosheshayo wokulisana nesifo sofuba esibhedlela iJose Pearson.
Ngolwexeshana imiphumela embalwa olunyango lwexeshana lwezigulane zesifo sephepha ezinganyangekiyo ngamachiza esiqhelo luqala kwiinyanga ezilithoba ukuya kwezine-11 ngelixa unyango ngamachiza esiqhelo belithatha
We're looking forward to improvement in terms of proportion of patients who are going to be cured from MDR-TB treatment.
Ukuza kuthi ga ngoku kukho izinga lempumelelo olungumyinge weepesenti ezingama-72. Izigulane esele ziphilisiwe zingumyinge weepesenti ezingama-90.
This regimen means a lot to our patients because we've been having patients with drug-resistant TB for a very long time that have been struggling with very long regimens, very tedious processes. And we have not had as good outcomes.
Esinye sezigulana esifumene unyango sonwabe kakhulu kwaye sinethemba lokuphila.
Imini ezinje zimini ezibalulekileyo. So ndiyavuya kakhulu manje ngokupheleleyo. And I'm happy because to take a step because impilo le.
Isicwangciso kukwandisa olunyango nakwezinye izibhedlele kweliphondo. Inxalenye yonyango ikwabandakanya ingcebiso malunga nendlela yokuzigcina usempilweni njengesigulane, njengokuyeka utywala kunye neziyobisi. Sinethemba Witi weendaba ze-SABC eGqeberha.
Mbukelo umhlahlo wesimo sezulu yalandela emva kwekhefu. naboqasela kawasa inkomo esengwaliviyo zayinhlonhlo inkomo ethandwa zibawo siyaguqa lapha besikuphathele zona lezo besiyisakaza bukhoma ngezolimi lwezulu so besingekho kusasa nangesonto ozakuthi laba basakaza ngolimi lesixhosa ibona bazobe bekuthulele indaba thina nolimi lwezulu sizobuya ngomsombuluko sakhe kahle.